toe pot. Nice. Hey, it's like a fucking bell.
I'm surprised the fucking snowblower didn't blow off.
So right there. Don't put it here. Take off the nuts and bolts and jack that thing up. Cook popcorn.
I cook popcorn.
Popcorn. Back side up.
That was so dangerous, but we're still alive. Jeez. We didn't get any popcorn. Everywhere.
Shit, I got shrapnel on my back.
I think it's the fucking garage door back there.
Yeah!
Holy shit, the door flew all the way over here.
You left your back just enough, Ryan. You got that right in the head.
Is that a warranty?
Is that under warranty? I don't think so.
I think it's like 30 years old, something like that.